Ever heard of someone breaking a rib just by sneezing? Sounds wild, but it's true. So why does this happen? When you sneeze, your body blasts air out of your nose and mouth at up to 100 miles per hour. That's like launching a mini hurricane from your face. All that force squeezes your chest muscles, and if your ribs are already weak or you twist just right, snap. You could fracture a rib. But don't worry, it's pretty rare. Most sneezes just make your nose tickle and your friends say bless you. Still, if your sneeze feels like a wrestling move, maybe hold on to something, or at least warn your cat. Remember, sneezing is totally normal. Just maybe don't try to break any records. Stay sneezy but stay safe.